Hello, thank you for joining us for a conversation with HIMA. We have with us today Steffen Philipp, Managing Director of HIMA, and Buddy Creef, North American Sales Director. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Steffen, there's quite a few players in the safety market. What makes HIMA unique, and why should companies buy from you?
Okay. HIMA Group is an independent supplier of safety solutions. We're operating out of the German market and covering more than 50 states. We have delivered, since we are providing the safety systems and solutions, 35,000 systems, which is quite a high amount. And we are family owned since the beginning, so that means we have an age of 110 years now. And since we started the business in the 70s with the safety systems, we are linked to that.
Great, great. So, you know, most process control providers provide a safety system as well. Why choose you over them?
International standards, they start to think about the independent layers of protection. So that means there's a separation between systems and the safety system. So we decided from the very beginning on to be separated and not integrated. As well as the international standards like the IS Standard 84 and the IEC 61511, which we have in Europe, speak about the independency of the layers of protection.
Great. Buddy, question for you. You've been speaking a lot about smart safety. What is that? What's the message behind that?
Well, you know, in the context of this conference, Mark, what we're saying is that smart safety means that your safety system should be able to do something more than just shut your system down. Using the HIMA Smart Safety solution, we can prevent outages, reduce downtime, and actually provide value, or an ROI, if you will, on your safety system.
Okay. So what do customers need to get this type of...
You know, at its most basic, all you have to have is a HIMA safety system and our smart safety solution, and you're ready to go. Most of the data is already inherent in the HIMA system.
So that sounds good in theory. How is it in practice? How do customers benefit in practice?
You know, there's several areas, just to name a few. You know, and operators are flooded with alarms, and we talk to many companies who say, gee, alarm rationalization is just really not possible. So the first part of our smart safety solution is a critical alarms application. Critical process values already exist in the safety system, so to put a critical alarms front end on the safety system makes sense and allows the user to take corrective action and prevent shutdowns. Should there be a shutdown, then obviously the first thing you want to do is get back up, so the smart safety solution includes a first out application, which will tell the end user what caused the shutdown, allow him to go correct that and get back up. And then of course the next thing he wants to do is prevent the next shutdown. So we have a sequence of events application, which will allow him to go back in time and forward in time and figure out how did he get here to start with, and what actions does he have to take so that he doesn't experience the same shutdown again. And then the added value that we've done recently is to be able to read heart data directly into the HIMA HIMAX safety system, which allows you not only to have diagnostic information on the safety system itself, but to actually provide diagnostic information on the instruments and actuators that are connected to the system. So we think that the end user has less downtime, prevents downtime, and becomes more profitable and more safe by use of the HIMA Smart Safety application.
Great. Well, thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. This has been a conversation with HIMA about their smart safety system.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.